Greetings, Jeepers. So what we're going to do here, we're back at this happy grill, and we're going to install some side and top radiator felt cooling felts. So there's three pieces here that you are going to work with, two shorter ones and one long one.
Radiator seals have been installed and stapled on to the grill. I'll show you guys how to install one staple and the rest are the same. And just going over which felt goes where. The two smaller felts go on the side of your grill. So starting on the driver's side, you have it so your square end is towards the bottom and your angle with the longer point is facing downwards. And then just staple this one on, and we'll move on to the top portion. The top portion stapled on as well, and you have it so your longer point on your angle is facing downwards. So these two will create a seal here, and they'll connect together. And then moving along to the driver's side, this angle is actually opposite, and you have it so the longer point on your angle is facing upwards. And then finally, we'll be on your small felt seal here. And this one is, you have it so your longer angle is on the down point here. And we'll just staple it on, and your square end is finally on the bottom as well as the same with your other side piece. And now we'll go through how to install your last staple on your felts. I am now going to show you guys how to install your staples onto your radiator seals here. And they'll just go through these small holes that are from the factory. And these holes right here is where the staple will be pushed through. And then you will bend both sides, and that will secure the felt to your grill. With a large bobby pin, you will push your bobby pin through the holes on your front grill through the back side here, and that will make the holes into your felts. So you just push it in as so, like that, and do that the same step on both holes here, and just give it a quick little wiggle around, and that will actually make the hole a bit bigger so you can install your staple in easier. Now it is time to install your staple into your radiator felt seal here. And these two little small little holes that were made using your bobby pin from the back side here, you can see them, and they might be kind of hard to get your staple through because the staple might get caught on your felt here, but just kind of wiggle it through and it will just push right through like that, and it will come out the back side here. And now we have to get these parts of your staple through the two holes on your grill here, and we'll just push it through, and then we'll bend it to secure it. Now it is time to push your staple through your front grill here, and just line up your holes and push your staple through the two holes, and now it'll come out the other side. Now we will bend the staple. Push your staple firmly against the grill here, and now use a pair of needle nose pliers to bend the sides of your staple. After you've created the initial bend, now use a hammer to finish off bending your staple. And just like that, your staple is installed. And that's how you install all the staples on your grill here, and it's all the same step. Just a quick overview of what your felt seals should look like on your front grill here. It's fairly simple. It's just going to take you some time and some frustration, but you guys should be able to get it. That is all, and thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.